Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. Today is Friday, February 2nd, 2018. I'm Alency Kolonovich. And I'm Jessica Gelbstein. Today is an A-Day or a white day.
Stargazing has been postponed now to February 5th and with a rain date of February 6th.
Mr. Doherty Shark Block is holding a fundraiser for the NHSBCA. They are collecting dog food, blankets, towels, and more supplies that dogs need. The SPCA took in 61 new animals over the past couple of weeks, so they need all the support they can get.
Boxes were prepared for this by the students and are being held in Mr. Coggershell's room, Ms. Goudreau's room, and Mr. Doherty's room, and outside the main office. All donors will be invited to a special presentation by the SPCA. Come donate today, and you will get a special presentation with the SPCA.
Today is Ski Club's third trip to Pat's Peak. Participants will be released at 1:35.
Mrs. Bowen and Grace Tiberia, WHS Senior, will be offering 2 yoga classes for students in February. Many people, including medical doctors, are discovering the health benefits associated with practicing yoga. Some of the health benefits associated with practicing yoga are:
it builds physical strength, it increases your flexibility, it makes you less prone to injuries, it increases your focusing ability, it helps you reduce stress. Please join us February 13th and February 20th after school. Please see Mrs. Bowen for the permission form.
For our segment book trailers featuring videos created by Mrs. Nato's class, here is with this week's trailer, Camp Sacklarius, which features Lottery Boy by Michael Byrne.
Today is the last day for the book marathon mid-race water break. Please visit the library with your book bib to enter the mid-race raffle and grab a snack.
Please bring in your box tops. We have a big submission date coming up and we want to get them all sent in. Deadline for February is the 21st. Drawing will be on the 23rd. 10 box tops equals 1 entry. Good luck! Congratulations to the following students who have been chosen by a jury to represent Hampton Academy at the Hampton Arts Network Youth Expressions at Art Show at Provident Bank, February and March. Laura Hivery, 6th, Chalk Pastel Dog. Ryan Cholfie, 7th, Zentangle. Amanda Longo, 7th, Zentangle. Julia Egger, 8th, Oil Pastel Seascape. Grace O'Connor, 8th, Seascape. Kate Sweeney, 8th, Oil Pastel Landscape. Please support our young artists with a visit to the Provident Bank in the month of February and place your People's Choice Award vote for your favorite work for the month of February.
Tech Club will meet on Monday and Tuesday.
Lunch today will be a chicken patty on a bun, cauliflower polonaise, and cinnamon pear slices.
Hampton Academy Sharks. I'm here in Miss Warburton's Shark Block doing roller coasters. So Cam, what is this project?
So in this project, we had to build a roller coaster out of oak tag, and at the end have it pop up and go into a cup.
Okay, and Henry, what's the criteria for this project?
So you had to make sure that the marble would not fall off the side and make it all the way to the end.
And what materials could you use for this project?
You could use cardstock and tape.
Okay, and Emily, did you like this project and why?
I really enjoyed this project. I feel like it was something good to do in your science shark block because it involved things like gravity and teamwork, and it was really fun.
Yeah, and Nora, how did your group do, and would you do this project again?
Yeah, I would do this project again because it was really fun. And I think our group did really well because we worked together and we cooperated.
Thanks for being on Shark News.
Students and staff have been observing Warm Spirit Days as a fun way to show school spirit. This past week was Twin Day. Take a look at pictures from the day.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. I'm here with the principal, Mr. O'Connor, and 7th grade student Phoebe Cole. Good morning, Mr. O'Connor.
Good morning, Avinash.
So, what are these beams and what are they going to be used for right now?
Well, these two white pieces of metal are called I-beams, and they're structural support. These two beams will go somewhere in the new auditorium near the stage. We painted them white, and we're asking the students and staff to sign the beam with their name. It's to help boys and girls get involved in the project.
That's cool. And Phoebe, how do you feel about being part of this?
I thought it was really cool, and it's very interesting because 100 years from now, students will wonder what it was like in 2018.
Yeah, thanks for being on Shark News.
You're welcome.
Tickets for Crazy Town will go on sale at lunches next week for $5 each.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. I'm here with 8th grade student Jake Chalfie and 6th grade student Julia Murray. So Jake, could you tell me what play we're doing and the dates and the times?
Oh, sorry. I was just reading the amazing script of this play. This play is called Crazy Town, and we will be performing it on February 16th, 17th, and 18th.
Nice. And Julia, so you're a 6th grader, and this is your first year. How do you like it?
Well, everyone is really kind and welcoming, and it's so much fun to be a part of, and it really helps with speaking in public and stuff like that.
Yeah, totally. I mean, helps me in my LA projects. Thank you for watching.
Tomorrow, Hampton Academy's Mathcounts team will be competing at the regional Mathcounts competition at UNH. Good luck to all the participants.
Avinash caught up with the Mathcounts advisor and a team member. Take a look.
Good morning, Hampton Academy Sharks. I'm here with 7th grade Mathcounts teacher, Mrs. Dutton, and 7th grade student Nathan Domingos. So, Ms. Dutton, what is Mathcounts and why should kids join it?
Math Counts is a time that we can come together after school, grades 6, 7, and 8, and we can do all kinds of math problems together. Some of them are easier and some of them are more challenging.
And why should kids join it?
Because it's fun. We do a lot of math, and you can learn all kinds of things that you're doing in class or just stuff to extend your knowledge in different subjects, and it's great.
Okay. And Nathan, why did you join Math Counts, and do you like it?
I joined Math Counts because I heard it was really fun, and I really like it, and yeah.
Well, thanks for being on Shark News. Next week. Come join Math Counts.
And now for your weather, I have special guest Grace Road here with me. Grace, do you want to show us our first weather photo?
Sure. It's sunrise over Hampton Academy from Seamus Rafferty. Thank you, Seamus, for sending that in.
And our next one, the night at the ocean from Bren P. Thank you, Bren, for sending that in.
And Sunday night moon at North Beach from Morgan Jackman. Thank you, Morgan, for sending that in.
And now for our day planner for today, 8 o'clock a.m., 29 degrees and cloudy.
And at noon, 26 degrees and partially cloudy with a little bit of wind.
And again, partly cloudy with some wind, but cooling off a degree to 25 degrees. So now moving on to our 5-day forecast. Today, a average temperature of 31 degrees, and again, partly cloudy with some wind.
And on Saturday, mostly sunny and an average temperature of 28 degrees.
And on Sunday, our Super Bowl day, PM showers with a temperature of 46 degrees.
And Monday, nice and sunny and 38 degrees.
And then Tuesday, 33 degrees and partly cloudy. That's your weather. I'm Bailey Jacob.
And I'm Grace Road.
Celebrating their birthdays today are Hannah Evans, Dylan Hawk, and John Savage. Celebrating on Sunday are Jack Morgan and Sydney Whalen. Happy birthday, Hannah, Dylan, John, Jack, and Sydney.
Today we have a joke from Shayla Carson over at Marston. If you'd like to submit a joke, submit it to sharknews@sau90.org. Hey Andy.
What?
Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
You better go catch it.
And remember, before you speak, text, chat, or post,
ask yourself,
is it kind?
Is it true?
And is it necessary?
And remember the Academy way.
Manage yourself,
act responsibly,
and respect yourself and others.
Go out there and make it a great day.